This is exercise 4.3, question number first. This quadratic equation we have to solve by completing the square method. So first of all, if any constant number is in multiply of x square, like there is 2, okay, so we will divide by this 2, means x square term must be single here, so we will divide by 2 in every term, like this, dividing 2. So 2x square divided by 2 minus 7x also divided by 2 plus 3 also divided by 2 equals to 0. Okay, so here 2 and 2 will cancel, only single x square term will remain, and remaining 7 and 2 we can't cut, so it will come as it is, 7 upon 2, and 3 and 2 also we can't cut, so leave it as it is. After that, think about the identity, as the name of the method is completing the square method. So there are two identities, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. This identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So out of these two identities, any one identity we have to use here, so you can see easily the form. Okay, so we will use this identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square, because there is coming minus. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square term. So we have to convert this in the form of a minus b whole square. If there is plus, then we use first identity. Okay, so what is the identity of this? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is our identity. So this identity we will fill after that. So this last term we have to subtract as it is. Here this last term is positive b square, so this same we will subtract. Okay, and the last term is 3 upon 2, so last term will come as it is in the last, 3 upon 2, no change. So this is the format of completing the square method. Firstly, write the identity as it is, then the last term we will write as it is. Okay, if there is plus, we will do minus, opposite sign, one time add, one time subtract, and the last term we will write in last as it is, 3 upon 2, so there also will come 3 upon 2. Now let's fill this. See, there is x square, so here inside, here it will come x, because x square will come this x square. So there is 2 already from the identity, so x will come as it is in the first x, because a square minus 2a, so a value is x, so in the same first bracket it will come x. Now b value we will fill the half of this constant, it's half. 7 upon 2 half is 7 upon 4. Okay, so 7 upon 4 will come as it is everywhere. Okay, we are doing half of only this constant term. Okay, not this full. Here it will not come 7 upon 4x, because x already taken here, so here only this constant term we have to see. So 7 upon 2 half is 7 upon 4, 7 upon 4, 7 upon 4 we have to fill everywhere. So this is the most important step. After that it is easy. According to the identity, it will come a minus b whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, it will come x minus 7 upon 4 of whole square, and these two terms are remaining, so these two terms we will write as it is, minus 7 square is 49 and 4 square is 16 plus 3 upon 2 equals to 0. So we need to find the value of x. Okay, so x minus 7 upon 4 of whole square is equals to, these both terms will go on that side, we will transfer on that side, so this negative term will become positive, equals to 49 upon 16 minus 3 upon 2. Okay, this positive term will become negative when we will transfer. 16 and 2 LCM is 16, so 49 will come as it is, minus 2 8 ja 16, so 8 3 ja 24. 49 minus 24 will come 25 upon 16. So this left hand side term we have to write as it is, x minus 7 upon 4 whole square, x minus 7 upon 4 whole square. Now this square we will transfer on that side. As you know, if square will go on that side, then it will become square root. Square will convert into square root. Now square will not come in this side, so only x minus 7 upon 4 will remain. Okay, square root of 25 and 16 is 5 upon 4, but square root of any number is plus minus, as we know. So x minus 7 upon 4 as it is. Now x value only we have to find, so the 7 upon 4 also will go on that side, means everything we have to transfer one by one. So x is equals to, the 7 upon 4 is negative, so it will come positive 7 upon 4, then plus minus 5 upon 4 as it is. So its LCM is 4, and upper side it will come 7 plus minus 5. So x is equals to, how to solve this? One time we will take plus, one time minus. It means if we will take plus, 7 plus 5 upon 4, first root, and comma, use comma there. After that 7 minus 5 upon 4. One time plus, one time minus, means plus and minus we will separate. Now solve this. 7 plus 5 will come 12, and 7 minus 5 will come 2. So 12 upon 4 will come 3, and 2 upon 4, when we will cut, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 upon 2. So two values of x are coming, 3 and 1 upon 2. So it is the solution of this quadratic equation by completing the square method. So two roots are coming, which are 3 and 1 upon 2.